Okay, so I am putting in the bobbin correctly, going this direction. Okay. All right. Then I'm making sure it goes under here. Okay. And I pull it up. Then I put this away. Now this is, I hold on to that. So I'm turning it towards me, and I'm trying to pick up that loop. And this is where I start struggling, because as I pull this, I'm not getting anything. Okay. See how nothing comes up? So I try to kind of play with it, and look what happens. That bottom part, if you look closely, it's catching the thread. And I'm not sure what's happening. But do you see how now it's pulling it? So I don't know why it's doing that. So I try to pop it out. So it looks like this in there. The threads are crossing. And I don't understand why. So when I remove it, that happens. I'm able to get that out, but this is still stuck. Right here. I have no idea why that's going there and why that's happening. And then that happens, if you noticed. Is that supposed to be happening? And then it gets knotted up, so that's when it comes out to me cutting the string. And I just have to pull it out somehow. So that is the issue I am having. I want to know if I'm doing anything incorrectly. I feel like the machine might have been put together incorrectly, if that's even possible. What am I doing wrong? I believe I've threaded everything above here correctly. Let's see if you remove this. I mean, everything here looks about right. I threaded it through here. That went through here. So please help me fix this. I would love to use my sewing machine. I've never done it used this before, and I've not been able to do anything.